All right, everybody, welcome back. Look here, we got a nice, just a little over 2-pound pork loin fillet here. We're gonna cook this in the Instant Pot tonight. We're gonna make some barbecue pork loin. Got a little barbecue rub here. First thing we're gonna do though is go ahead and get this cut in half so it'll fit in the Instant Pot. Fat on the back of it. There we go. Get that all done. I'm gonna take some of our rib rack barbecue rub, get this rubbed down. Go ahead and start here on the back of it where the fat's at. Just gonna get it covered up good. Get it patted down into it. Get all the ends and all of it that you can get rubbed down good. Get it flipped over here. Finish getting this side of it rubbed down. All right, that's looking good. So let's get the Instant Pot. Get it starting to warm up so we can get this braised up good. Got the Instant Pot. We got some avocado oil. Get this pork loin braised in up real good. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on Sauté. We're gonna turn it on. Go ahead and put just a little bit of olive oil here in the bottom. Make sure it's covered up good. All right, once it heats up, we'll get ready to start braising this pork loin. Right, we got the Instant Pot all heated up. Let's get this pork loin in here and get each side braised up here for about 2 minutes each. So we'll speed up through this. All right, what I'm doing now is making sure we're getting the ends of it braised also. You want it good and brown on all parts of it. All right, those are looking pretty good. Take them out, put them on the cutting board here and let them rest for a little bit while we get ready to start deglazing the bottom of this Instant Pot. So what I got, 1 1/4 cup of chicken broth. Go ahead and pour that in there. All right, now let's get ready to start deglazing the bottom of this here. Get those good flavors up off the bottom. Almost got it all deglazed good. So let's go ahead and turn it off. Let it finish deglazing here and we'll be right back. All right, let it finish deglazing. Let's get this pork loin back in here. We're just gonna put it right in. Then I'm gonna add a little barbecue sauce to it. Make these good and tasty tonight. We'll barbecue them again with some more sauce after we pull it off. Let it rest for a little bit. And I think that should be good. Grab the top here. Get it sealed up. Let's get ready to turn it on. Now what we're going to do is turn it on pressure cook, and we're going to set it for 20 minutes. Hit start, and we're going to let it run. Oh, almost forgot. Make sure your thing's in the sealing position. Almost messed that one up good. We're gonna let this go, get heated up, let it do its 20 minutes, and we'll let it do a natural release for about 10 to 15 minutes when it's done. We'll be back when it's ready. All right, folks, we're back. It's done its 20 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and do now is turn it off, let it do a natural release for about 10 minutes, and we'll be back when that's ready. Get ready to pull it out, get it rested, get ready to eat dinner. All right, everybody, as you can see, we've been resting for 10 minutes here, letting it depressurize. So let's go ahead and finish getting the rest of it off of here, out of there. Shouldn't be too much. Wait for the pin to drop, and then we'll take the lid off. There we go. Nice, quick, and easy. Pin drop. Go ahead and get this opened up. Pull it down a little bit over here. Let me move this to the side. All right, let's pull these out of here and see how they're looking. Still got plenty of barbecue sauce on them. Let's move this Instant Pot out of the way here. All right, the only thing we're gonna do now is add a little more barbecue sauce to it while it's resting. I can still hear it, it's still cooking. So yeah, this pork will keep cooking for a little while. So that's why it's good to let it rest. So, all right, we'll be back in 10 minutes. Get ready to start cutting it up. We have been letting these rest for just a little over 10 minutes. Got plenty of juice coming out of them. Get this sliced into some pieces here. It's looking good. Cooked all the way through. Oh yeah, and they're looking real good. Give this a quick taste test here. See how good these are. It's a little hot, but wonderful, tasty, easy dinner to make. Been here this long, guys. If you don't mind, go down and click that subscribe button. Be much appreciated. We're up to 83 subscribers now. You guys have been watching the videos here more recently. Much appreciated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.